Sit here, sit here.
Where's spoon?
Okay, okay, gonna help you. Sit here first. Oh, mag-eat daw siya og egg and pancit canton. Namimiss na si pancit canton. Ito, egg first, egg. Gonna help you, gonna help you. Mommy will help you to, ano.
Ayoko rice.
Rice, wow! American ka, kaya ayaw mo mag-rice?
Yeah,
Ito talaga mahina sa rice, ayaw niya mag-rice. No, you need to eat rice. Small lang yung rice mo, hindi yan, ano, hindi yan nakalahating sandok yan. Ay, kalahating sandok lang yan. Princess, you need to eat rice. You need to eat rice. Sit down there, sit down there. Ito, mahina to sa rice to. Hindi to nagkakain ng rice to. Up! Ayusin yan. Up! Go there, go there, go there. Sit down properly, Eli. Sit properly, Lablab. Sit down there. Sit down here. Princess, sit down here, Princess. Ito, ano naman ginagawa niya dito? Drawing na naman daw siya ng Elsa. Tapos mayroon kanina. Oh. Ano to? Pinatay niya na si Monster daw yan. O, pinatay niya na si Monster. Ato. Mag-draw ka, hindi pa tapos ang drawing mo ha. Eat ka muna. Eat ka muna. Princess, you eat first. You eat first. Sit properly, Princess. Sit properly. Sit ka there. Sit there. Princess, I told you sit down. Sit down. I said sit down ba? Princess. Eat ka ng kanin, Princess ba? Rice ba? Eat ka ng rice kahit kunti lang. Ikaw ha, hindi pwede yan ha. Ito, broke natin to.
Me.
Okay, broke the ano. Broke the egg.
Wow. Here, yellow.
Yellow.
Ayoko. No, ayoko yellow.
I don't like yellow. Ito, ayaw niya. Ayaw niya ng yellow. Pero kapag i-scramble ko, makakain siya ng yellow. Kapag i-boil ko siya, ayaw niya ng yellow.
Hey, yellow.
Ayaw niya ng cholesterol. Pero tinitake advantage ko kapag gina-scramble ko siya kasi nakakain niya yung yellow.
Ayoko.
Okay. Ayaw mo yan. So, si Mami lang mag-eat ng yellow.
Oh, yellow.
It's okay. Small lang yan. Princess, you need to eat, Princess, ha? Ha? Ikaw, mahina ka talaga magkain ba? Ito to. This one, oh. How about this one?
No. No. It was yellow, oh.
Yellow. Eh, susuy ka. Small lang yan, eh. Mo nang imuha. Mo nang imuhan. Mo nang di ka nagdako kay di ka nagkakaon.
Pansit ako, ah.
No, no. Pancit canton is not good for your health. It's not healthy. You eat that once a month, okay? You eat pancit canton once a month, right, Princess? Pancit canton is healthy or not? Healthy, not? Healthy? Pancit canton healthy or not? Not. Oh, you know pala na hindi pala yan healthy. You eat that once a month, okay? Up. Good. Good, Princess, good.